guys, so I wanted to start off by showing you guys this organizer that I got off Amazon. It is roughly $30, 35-ish, and I just love it. So I feel like if you're looking for something to organize your sticker sheets, I think this would be a great one. Now let's go make a sticker sheet.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside, when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in
So here's a tip on how to make a sticker outline. You're just going to duplicate it, then you're going to turn on Alpha Lock, then you're going to fill the layer in, then you're going to duplicate, then you're going to turn Alpha Lock off, then go to Gaussian blur. I go to about 14%. Then just click that guy, make sure it's on automatic, click that, go to your layers, then you're going to move the last layer all the way to the top, then delete that last layer, and then you're just going to merge the two. And then you have a sticker outline.